What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and if you don't know me, we go over tools, tips, and tricks to make money online. And today, guys, today's a very, very special day for me. I just want to thank you guys so much because if you noticed, there was an ad in front of this video, and I just can't thank you guys so much. Yeah, your boy finally got monetized. It's been a 12-month grind, and I just can't thank you guys enough for consuming my content. And this goes to show you, man, you just keep grinding and you just provide value to people and they'll come back around one way or another. So again, thank you guys so much. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and dive right in. So today, guys, I'm gonna give you 3 different tips to get monetized for your YouTube channel, and also 2 updates that YouTube put into place for 2020 that you do not want to miss. Otherwise, you will lose money or you won't get paid at all. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And let's go to tip number 1. Tip number 1 is the time to process. So the time to process your channel in order to get monetized, well, for me anyway, it was 3 days. I know like before it used to be about 2 to 3 weeks, but I guess they expedited the process now. And again, it took me 3 days to get monetized. And it goes to there's about 3 different steps you have to go through. So one is just agreeing to the terms and conditions of the YouTube partner program. Once you do that, you'll go to phase 2. Phase 2 is connecting your Google Assets account, and I'll show you how to do that here in a minute. And then also phase 3 is just having YouTube review your channel to make sure like you don't have anything that's breaking any kind of terms and conditions and guidelines of the YouTube policy. So going back to the time of process, the one way to actually speed up the process, I did 2 things. One, if you go to monetization, which is on the left side on here, you click that, and then you'll see an icon that says monetization. It'll say disable or enable. Just hit enable, and automatically, as soon as you qualify with your 4,000 watch hours and your 1,000 subscribers, it's going to automatically trigger that to YouTube and let them know like, hey, by the way, this dude, he's qualified. Let's review his channel. So make sure you hit that. And then also too, what you want to do is also sign up for an AdSense account. That's a must. Man, this is a big thing that I missed out on, or not missed out on, but I screwed up on. So make sure you don't do this. But do not, I repeat, do not open 2 different AdSense accounts because you won't get paid. And that's what I did at the very beginning. I had another AdSense account created and I didn't realize it. It was tied to a blog that I had. So I had to actually kill that other one and then create a new one and connect that one to this channel. So just FYI, food for thought. So you have a blog right now, just go ahead and use that AdSense account for this. You cannot create 2 separate AdSense accounts. It will not work. I promise you. So just a little nugget right there. And again, once you enable that, it'll notify YouTube, says you qualified, and it'll get you going into motion, but you still have to agree to the terms and conditions and then connect the Assets account. And so your Assets account, it's google.com/AdSense/start. All you do is click get start, and then you just fill this out. And it takes literally like under a minute, but AdSense is gonna send you a letter or a code in the mail just to make sure that you're a real person. You gotta enter that code, and it'll trigger everything. So just like right now, you see up top says please sign into your Assets account to verify your address, the PIN code, mail to people. So once I got monetized or qualified for it, they already sent me one. I'm just waiting for that code to hit my mailbox, and then I'll go in here and then I'll put it in. So and just to show you guys how much you get paid, it's another thing too. And let's see, go to analytics. This is, get off here, my estimated revenue so far. Again, like I just got monetized like 3 days ago. Revenue, this my CPM is 40, and it seems pretty high, and that's the reason a lot of people, that's one of the things that people always ask, like how much do you make compared to other YouTubers and so on and so on. And the way it works is CPM is cost per mil, which is Latin for cost per 1,000. And so I'm getting paid, this is saying I'm getting paid $40 every time somebody watches this video. Well, this channel, a YouTube video on this channel is the average 1,000 times. So for example, let's see, what videos, and then I'll click on this one, analytics, and then I'll click on revenue. That's insane. So my CPM on here is 186.92. Let's see, sales optimization. That's crazy. I've never seen a CPM that high, 186.92. So just to put that in perspective, crazy, but put it in perspective, a prank video or a jokes video is $3 per CPM. So that just goes to show you how much it fluctuates per video, because and per niche. So the niches that pay the most are going to be make money online, any kind of legal or insurance videos. Those tend to like rank the highest as far as CPMs. Again, like you're seeing $186 right now on the screen. I don't know if that goes down more the more people watch my videos. I don't know, but let's pick another video. Let's go to one of these cash flow. So my cash flow revenue, like $58.80. So that's another CPM. Of course, that's like a third of what we just saw. But yeah, pretty crazy how this works. Again, if this was like a prank video, this would have been $3. But if you plan on creating a YouTube channel, not necessarily in the make money online niche or just making money at all, if you choose something like pranks or a lifestyle, well, lifestyle or like a lifestyle vlog, they tend to make about $10 to about $20 CPM. If you're doing pranks and jokes, it's about $3 per CPM. But again, this amount of money that you make is probably the lowest you're going to make if you're like a full-time YouTuber after, I want to say, 3 to 5 years, because you're going to start getting affiliate marketing deals or just affiliate marketing period, and you're going to start getting sponsorship deals, and then you're going to start, which can make you about $20,000 to, I've heard, $1 million sponsorship deals like per month. Like Mr. Beast, like he gets paid, I think, $1 to $5 million for a spot on his channel. And then of course you get brand deals too. So from what I keep hearing, the amount of revenue that you get from AdSense on your YouTube channel is the lowest amount of money that you get from your income streams that you pull from YouTube. So just a little FYI. But I mean, the revenue that I've seen people have is, I've seen it as much as like $5,000 per month all the way to $1.5 million per month on YouTube, based on the niche, right? So just want to throw that in there. And then of course Google AdSense, we went over that. And then again, if you just enable your monetization up front, and then you create your Google AdSense account, if you don't have one, those two are going to drastically save you weeks upon getting approved. So just those two things alone is going to help you speed things right along. Now the two updates you don't want to miss is the two updates that YouTube has done this year that you do not want to miss out, otherwise you will not get paid. So number one, well, this first one you'll get paid, but you're going to be losing out on a ton of money, like thousands upon maybe even millions of dollars, is they updated it to where if you have a 10-minute, well before, if you have a 10-minute video, you can put multiple ads called mid-rolls within your video. If it's less than 10 minutes, you can only have a video at the very beginning and the very end. That was it. But now they changed the update this year where it's 8 minutes. So if your video is 8 minutes long, 8 minutes long, you can add as many ads as you want, as many mid-rolls as you want within your video, which is huge, right? So if you feel like you can't shut your time out, by 10 minutes, at least have it at 8, because that way you can put more mid-rolls in there, therefore you make more money. So that's update number one. Update number two is, this is huge. If you're watching other older YouTube videos on monetization, they tell you that you get automatically monetized. Your videos get automatically monetized as soon as you get monetized. That's not the case. So you have to actually go in there and put in the monetization or activate the monetization for every single one of your videos. So that's what happened to me. Like, I don't know if it's happening to like anybody else that's watching this video, but please just make sure, just double check. They might change it too after you see this video to where they do automatically put it back on there. But as of right now, they did not put the monetization on my videos. So I had to actually, go in there, as you can see, had to turn every single one of these things on all my videos. And again, that did not happen automatically. I had to do it myself. So just double check again, just double check to make sure that your monetization is turned on. Otherwise, you will not get paid for these videos. So, but yeah, guys, that's all I have for this video. If you like what I was putting down, give your boy the thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.